His strategy was based on pure emotion and guesswork.
And what was her secret strategy?
Something beautifully simple. She invested the same amount of money on the same day every single month, no matter what. Hey everyone, and welcome to the Investor's Sketchbook.
We are so excited to have you here. This is the channel where we break down the big, sometimes complicated ideas about investing in finance.
And we make them simple, visual, and easy to understand. We're all about sketching out the path to financial clarity.
To kick things off for our very first video, we want to tackle one of the biggest temptations every investor faces.
That's right, the siren song of trying to perfectly time the market. It's a goal that has led countless people astray, and it reminds us of a little fable. Let's call it the story of Tim the Timer versus Pru the Prudent.
Sounds good. So tell us about Tim.
Tim was obsessed with being a market wizard. He'd stare at charts all day, waiting for that perfect moment to buy when a stock hit rock bottom.
I can just picture the stress. He's constantly thinking, what if it drops even more?
Exactly. And when the market was soaring, he was just as anxious, trying to guess the absolute peak to sell. He was a nervous wreck.
So he was probably always a little too late or a little too early, and his portfolio was an emotional roller coaster.
You got it. Now, on the other hand, we have Pru the Prudent.
Okay, and what was her approach?
Something beautifully simple called dollar cost averaging. She invested the exact same amount of money on the exact same day every single month.
Like clockwork. So if the market was high, she bought. If the market crashed, she still bought. She just ignored all the daily noise.
That's it. Her investing was a calm, steady, automatic drip of coins into her portfolio.
So when the market inevitably had a big downturn, Tim was probably freaking out.
Tim panicked and sold, locking in his losses. But Pru's automatic investment just continued. And because prices were low, her fixed monthly amount actually bought her more shares than usual. She was taking advantage of the discount without even thinking about it.
Let me guess the end of this story. After 10 years, Pru's portfolio was much bigger than Tim's.
Not even close. But more importantly, Pru was relaxed and had spent the last decade living her life, not glued to a screen in a state of constant anxiety.
And that simple, powerful lesson is exactly what our channel is all about.
We want to help you tune out the noise and focus on the timeless principles that actually help you build wealth and peace of mind.
So if this sounds like something for you, please make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next video.
And if you found this story helpful, giving this video a like would be amazing. It really helps a new channel like ours grow.
Now, we have a question for you to get the conversation started.
Have you ever felt like Tim the Timer, anxiously trying to guess the market? Or are you trying to be more like Pru the Prudent in your own approach?
Let us know your story in the comments below. We would love to read about your experience.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next sketchbook session.